Hey guys, this is Destiny Cards coming with you with a new deck review of Pure World with the help of the HEB01. Okay, starting with the deck list, we start with the size shape, which is Adventure Continent Gunville, which is a normal buff attacker in your deck, which is just to like clear all those big units from other worlds. Okay, with size 2, you play 4 of the new drums, which is Emergency Launch, Decker Drum, which effect is core cost, pay on gauge, and whenever it links attack with a unit, stand 1 card which was in the link attack with it, and its additional effect is whenever it stands the unit which you are transformed with, deal 1 damage to your opponent. Okay, moving on to the next card, you play 4 Rogue Warrior, Red Warrior, Rope Leader, which effect is whenever this card enters the field or transform, destroy a monster on the field, which is not a bad effect, but the hefty cost of it paying 2 gauge is like a very hard, like not a very simple cost to pay in the deck, but due to hyper energy, it's considered easy. Moving on to the body, which I play 4 confirm. You play 4 explosive takedown when based on it, which acts like a easy 3 crit hitter in the early games, and like also acts as a defense, as when you're transforming it, you have 3k defense. Okay, size 1, play 4 Lightning Chaser, which effect is whenever destroy a monster, charge 1 gauge, so like your LKOT but destroying monster version. Moving on, you play 3 First Warrior Einder, which acts like a transform unit to work with this card as well. Okay, moving on, you play 3 Mock Braver, Rescue Dragon Mock Braver, which effect is pay 1 gauge counter whenever during an attack opponent's turn, pay 1 gauge, call this card center, and your opponent has to redirect the attack to this card. This acts like preventing of a final phase, like during your opponent's turn, if you were to attack you with your weapon and like so-called Jago Blaze, you can just pay 1 gauge, call it center, and the attack will just be negated to this card. Okay. Well, you play 3 White Whaler Lord Takuto, which effect is which power up all transform or write cards all cards with the effect transform or write with power 1k defense or 1k or attack. Okay, moving on to the spell, we play 4 Asymmetry of Wolf, normal staple defense cards. 4 Justice Will Prevail, which is like Hero World Draco Energy. There is Artemis. This is a new card from the EV, which acts like a Draco Bond without the life gain. So like, let's say if I'll have my drum on the right, and an opponent want to destroy it, I can cast this, preventing its destruction. Okay. Then next card, you play also the Dream I Had When, which is a custom negate spell card for like final attacks. Play 3 Hyper Energy, which acts like a gauge charger in case like low gauge. Then normal deck, it's about time I got serious, which is like a normal draw card when your life is very low. Then I play 2 Impact, which is Emergency Trend. So due to the new impact cards in the HEB, now impacts can be cast during battle phase as though like a spell, as it has counter and it can be used anytime, and the requirements will be fulfilled. So its effect is whenever your opponent will deal damage and you are transformed, pay 1 gauge, choose a card that you are transformed with, put it into the drop zone, and choose a card in your hand. Choose a card which transform in your hand and transform it by paying it gauge. So like, let's say I have my body transform with, then I will attack and the attack succeeds, I can pay 1 gauge, then pay 2 more gauge, to equip Red Warrior, so I can destroy one unit and deal extra 2 more damage. So like 5 damage plus destroy one creature. So it's like a gain. Okay. With this, I have come to the end of my deck review of the new hero. Thank you, and please subscribe to Destiny of Cards, and please ask any question in the comment section below. Thank you.